This guide celebrates the unique beauty of African women over 40. We'll explore how to embrace this stage of life with confidence, focusing on skincare tailored to your specific needs. As we age, our skin undergoes changes, requiring a different approach to maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. This isn't about hiding the signs of time, but about enhancing your natural beauty and addressing concerns like dryness, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation common in African skin. We'll cover a holistic approach, from choosing the right cleansers and moisturizers to understanding the power of serums and sun protection. Get ready to embark on a journey to radiant, ageless beauty, tailored just for you. As we age, our skin's natural processes slow down. Collagen and elastin production decreases, leading to wrinkles and loss of firmness. Cell turnover slows, resulting in a buildup of dead skin cells that can dull your complexion. Dryness becomes more common, making your skin more susceptible to irritation and damage. For women with African skin tones, hyperpigmentation, the overproduction of melanin, can become more prominent, leading to dark spots and uneven skin tone. Age spots, also known as sunspots, are another common concern, caused by sun exposure. Understanding these changes is crucial for developing a skincare routine that effectively addresses these specific challenges and keeps your skin healthy and vibrant. Cleansing is the cornerstone of any effective skincare routine, especially for mature skin. Gentle cleansing removes dirt, oil, makeup, and sunscreen residue, all of which can clog pores and contribute to premature aging. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Opt for creamy, hydrating cleansers that are pH balanced and free of harsh sulfates. Thoroughly removing makeup, especially around the eyes, is vital to prevent irritation and breakouts. Double cleansing, using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser, can be particularly effective in removing stubborn makeup and sunscreen. Remember, a clean canvas is essential for your skincare products to work their magic. Exfoliation is key to revealing radiant, younger-looking skin. As we age, cell turnover slows, leading to a buildup of dead skin cells that can dull your complexion and clog pores. Exfoliation gently removes these dead cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin. There are two main types of exfoliants, physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants, like scrubs, use tiny particles to physically remove dead skin cells. Chemical exfoliants, such as AHAs and BHAs, use acids to dissolve dead skin cells. For mature skin, gentler chemical exfoliants are often preferred, as physical scrubs can be too harsh. Look for products with AHAs like glycolic acid or lactic acid, or BHAs like salicylic acid. Remember to exfoliate gently and not too frequently, to avoid irritation. Serums are potent treatments packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin, protects against sun damage, and boosts collagen production. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is a superstar ingredient for reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. However, retinol can be irritating for mature skin, so start with a low concentration and use it sparingly. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that draws moisture from the air to your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. These serums can be layered to address multiple concerns. For example, you might use a vitamin C serum in the morning for sun protection and brightening, and a retinol serum at night for wrinkle reduction. Always follow the instructions carefully and introduce new products gradually to avoid irritation. Moisturizing is crucial for maintaining healthy, hydrated skin, especially as we age. Mature skin tends to be drier, producing less oil than younger skin. A rich, hydrating moisturizer helps to lock in moisture, preventing dryness and improving skin elasticity. Look for moisturizers containing ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin, which help to attract and retain moisture. Creams are generally richer and more hydrating than lotions, making them ideal for mature skin. Apply your moisturizer both morning and night, after cleansing and applying serums. Choose a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type, oily, combination, or dry, to ensure optimal hydration without clogging pores. A well-hydrated complexion looks healthier, plumper, and more youthful. Sun protection is paramount for maintaining youthful, healthy skin. Harmful UV rays from the sun accelerate the aging process, causing wrinkles, age spots, and hyperpigmentation. Daily sunscreen use is non-negotiable, regardless of the weather. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply liberally to all exposed skin, at least 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours, or more frequently if swimming or sweating. Sunscreen is the single most effective anti-aging product you can use. Protecting your skin from the sun's damaging rays is crucial for preventing premature aging and maintaining a radiant, even complexion for years to come. Don't forget often missed areas like your neck and ears. Your nighttime routine is dedicated to repair and renewal while you sleep. At night, your skin's natural repair processes are most active. A rich night cream provides intense hydration and nourishment while you sleep, helping to restore your skin's barrier function. Consider incorporating retinoids into your nighttime routine, as they are highly effective for reducing wrinkles, improving skin texture, and promoting cell turnover. However, retinoids can be irritating, so start with a low concentration and use it only a few times a week. Always apply sunscreen during the day when using retinoids, as they can increase sun sensitivity. Remember to cleanse your skin thoroughly before applying your night cream or retinoids to ensure optimal absorption and effectiveness. A consistent nighttime routine supports your skin's natural rejuvenation processes. Inner beauty radiates outward, and your lifestyle choices significantly impact your skin's health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants provides essential nutrients for healthy skin cells. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts and premature aging. Practicing stress management techniques like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can make a noticeable difference. Prioritize a good night's sleep, as this is when your skin repairs itself. By nourishing your body from within and managing stress, you'll contribute significantly to a healthy and radiant complexion. It's about a holistic approach to beauty. Embracing aging gracefully is about celebrating your unique beauty at every stage of life. This journey to ageless beauty starts with understanding your skin's specific needs and creating a consistent skincare routine that addresses those needs. Remember the key elements we've discussed: gentle cleansing, regular exfoliation, targeted serums, rich moisturizers, and daily sun protection. Don't forget the importance of a healthy lifestyle, a balanced diet, adequate hydration, stress management, and sufficient sleep, all contribute to radiant skin. Consistency is key. A daily skincare routine, coupled with mindful lifestyle choices, will yield the best results. Embrace this journey with confidence and celebrate the beauty of aging.